Hey, this is Ryan with Mission Darkness. This is the TitanRF Faraday crate cover. Now, this is a large sealable Faraday shield that's going to block entire crates. So anything you can put inside of this crate, and we have a short one today just for demo. It can cover larger ones. We can make it any size that you need. If you want to cover a crate from blocking Wi-Fi, cell, GPS signals of any sensor that might be inside, that's what this is designed to do. And it's rapidly usable. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to close, and we'll demonstrate that in a second. The most common application that we're seeing from this right now is drones. So if you're military or even law enforcement, and you encounter a drone that you don't know what's on it, it may have any type of sensor, and you don't want your friendly forces or your team to be tracked with that device or that drone, you can place it inside, dump it in here, and close it up within 2 to 3 minutes. All sensors are going to be blocked. So whether it's transported on a plane, on a ship, wherever this is, you have the peace of mind knowing that whatever's inside, you don't have to check it, you don't have to take it apart, it's going to be blocked. And that operator or that person on the other end, those enemy forces, whoever that is, they're not going to know where this is, and they can't track you. We'll go ahead and demonstrate briefly how quick and easy this is. This is more of a one-time use product. You can, however, pull off the adhesive that we'll show you right now, and you can reuse it. It's designed generally to go along with whatever is inside and end up at another location, and it is priced accordingly. It's not as expensive as our multiple use type products. That's the intended purpose of it. So we'll go ahead and place this down. Take this lid. Place it on top. Lift up the cover, secure it over the top. Fold it over. And now we'll take our shielded adhesive. This is TitanRF shielded adhesive. This comes with it. And we have more than enough that's included to make sure that you get a good seal on this. Place it over the open edges, just like this. And you'll do this twice. You need a double layer to cover it. But look at that. That took maybe 90 seconds, less than 2 to 3 minutes that I said before. This is fully signal blocked. Wherever this is going, whatever's inside, you can be sure that Wi-Fi, cell, GPS, all sensors inside of here are going to be blocked. Enemy forces or other parties are not going to know where this is going, whether it's on a ship, a plane, whatever. Fully secure on the inside. It's rapid, deployable, it can cover large objects. This is the TitanRF Faraday crate cover by Mission Darkness.